Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the storm hits, who you trust? LPES, we rise, we don't rust. From the ground up, yeah, we build it precise. Lightning strikes, we already think twice. Engineering minds, yeah, we're shaping the game. Global standards, remember the name. Critical systems, yeah, we got every line. Power, data, everything aligned. From surge to earth, we locking it tight. When risk shows up, we ready to fight. No compromise, yeah, we setting the tone. Protection engineering, this is more than a zone. From design to install, yeah, we cover it all. When the voltage spikes, we never fall. Power protected, oh, we lead the way. Storms don't scare us, we dominate. From earth to sky, we got control. LPS, we protect it all. LPS, we protect it all.
We protect it all.
Power protected, feel the force. Safety driven, no, of course. When the pressure hits, we stand tall. LPS, we protect it all. LPS, we protect it all.
We protect it all.
Standards on lock, icy float. Compliance strong everywhere we go. From plans to data centers worldwide, we keep your infrastructure fortified. No downtime, no system crash. We stop the surge before the flash. From risk to safety, yeah, we redefine. Engineering future, one design at a time. When the thunder rolls, we already planned. Every connection built to withstand. Not just devices, it's a full system play. LPS leads, we don't delay. Protection isn't luck, it's design. Every detail optimized.